Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the water level pressure switch in the Frigidaire washer. It's going to be a very easy repair. Should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. For the job, we're going to need a number 2 square bit screwdriver, a flatblade screwdriver, and a pair of pliers. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new water level pressure switch. The water level pressure switch controls the amount of water entering the washer, preventing overflows. If your washer overflows, does not fill up, or has an incorrect water level, the water level pressure switch should be checked and replaced if needed. We need to take the top off. Using the number 2 square bit screwdriver, unscrew the 2 screws at the back of the top panel, pull the panel back slightly, and lift it off the washer. Using the flatblade screwdriver, push in the side tabs of the switch's mounting tab and remove the pressure switch from the cabinet. Press the tab and disconnect the wire plug. Using the pliers, move the hose clamp down and remove the air hose from the pressure switch. This is the old water level pressure switch next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. Install the air hose onto the new water level pressure switch. Using the pliers, move the clamp up to secure the hose. Connect the wire plug. Push the mounting tab into the cutout to lock the switch in. Then install the top panel. Place it on less than ½ inch from the front panel and slide it forward to lock. Secured with a couple of number 2 square bit screws. Plug the washer in and make sure it runs good. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other repair videos available on our site, on Facebook, and on YouTube.